So we're going to play the song Save Your Tears by The Weeknd to see if anything comes up on our screen right here, letting us know that it identified the song that we're playing. Hey everyone, David here with Chef Media Group. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Now Playing on your Google Pixel phones. This is the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This was sent to us as a gift from Google, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly our own. That being said, if you're interested in this phone, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So now let's go ahead, let's set up Now Playing. So the first thing we have to do is get to our device settings. So we can just pull down from the top, select the settings gear icon. Then we have to choose sound and vibration from our menu. So you can see it right here. And now we need to choose Now Playing and toggle this on, and we're all set and ready to go. And you can see an example on your screen how it's going to look when it identifies a song for you playing in the background. We have some additional settings you can see right here, and we have our play history as well. So check that out. We can go back and reference something by day in case maybe in a couple days from now we wanted to see what we were listening to or that song we heard the other day on the radio. We can find that right there. And you can also learn more about Now Playing if you want directly from Google. Now let's go ahead, let's play a song and try it out. So we're going to play the song Save Your Tears by The Weeknd to see if anything comes up on our screen right here, letting us know that it identified the song that we're playing. So let's go ahead, let's push play and give it a listen. So there we go. You can see it came up on the screen very quickly. It just took a couple of seconds, but it says Save Your Tears by The Weeknd. So you can see that right there at the bottom of our screen. Check that out. Very nice and very accurate. There you go, guys. It's that simple to set up Now Playing on your Pixel phone.